Hi, today I'm making lemon thyme oil. This oil can be used for chicken and for fish. It can be used in salads. It's a great oil. And so we're going to start with sliced lemon peel, as well as I decided to go out and pick some thyme from my container garden. I cut enough for about a half a cup of thyme, and just snipped pieces from the herb. It will grow back, and so that's the great thing about it. And I want to wash and sort of dry that and set that aside, so that I can then pull all of my ingredients together. And so it's very simple. We have a cup of light virgin olive oil. I'm not putting any garlic in it. I'm really just going to stick with lemon and thyme for this point. What you're going to do is sort of crush, but not cut the thyme. So as you can see here, I'm just bruising the leaves so that we can get the most out of the oil. And after I've done that, I'm going to add my lemon peel. And then I'm going to add a cup of the olive oil to the pot. So it's going to cook, but not boil. So it's really important that it's only like about a minute or so that you're going to sort of let the ingredients combine. And then we're going to take it off the stove and let it cool. So I usually put it back into my measuring cup, and then I've prepared my bottle with a few thyme leaves and some slices of lemon. And because while it's cooling, it's going to start to turn this really kind of soft yellow color, I strain that into the bottle, and it can last up to 3 days in the refrigerator. And then at that point, I can freeze the oil. This is an oil that is great for summer cooking, so enjoy.